Today, we're going to compare a Jordan 11 Low Legend Blue with a Jordan 12 Low Easter. Just to see which one's better. I did a video on this one already by itself. I was going to do a Legend Blue video by itself too, but I don't think it's worthy of that because it's not that great of a shoe. So my opinion off the table, I'll give my own ratings. You already know I'm biased. I like my 12, but we're going to get into these boxes and show y'all. So yeah, Legend Blue is not getting a solo video, but let's open it up. So, actually first, let's just do the first thing. Comparing the boxes. There's the Legend in blue with Air Jordan across his body. Gray box, blah, you know, Nike Air on the back, size 12. There's your toe tag, whatever they call it. This box, woo, multicolored. Easter egg. You don't got an Easter egg on this one. That already blows you out of the water, Jordan 11 Low. Easter egg all day. Inside the box, grass. Inside this box, trash. Sorry. Actually, let's keep them open. Get these open. This gets a little point back because it has a removable top, and that'll be easier because my work area here is not that big. But trash inside. So I got the grass. I'm parting the grass now, taking out the shoe. I'm just gonna take one of each out. Let's compare both right shoes. All right. One. Two. So since I have not talked about this one yet, this is the Jordan 11 Low Legend Blue. So there is a Legend Blue High, which is kind of clean. So the thing about this one is that it has the icy sole at the bottom here, carbon fiber with that Carolina blue hit right there. Typical Jordan garb. Got your blue Jumpman right there. Patent leather all around. Clean. I ain't gonna lie, it's clean. This is very premium on the material side. I like the softer leather here. The patent leather looks very plush. It's got the standard rope laces. Any extra laces? No extra laces. I don't think this one comes with the rope extra laces either. So that's that. That's, you know, it's a very simple shoe. Not much hype around this one or this one either for the most part. But my comparison here is based off of cleanliness and which one I would wear. So upper, you have just the white. All up in here is black, which is kind of cool. I like that. I ain't gonna front. I like that. That's cool. In hand, it looks much better. And the sole on the side just has the Jumpman 23. I don't know if you could actually see that, but it's whatever. Standard. Now this shoe, bling bling. Looks like a beautiful car. Just the lines. Look at that. So similar premium materials all the way around. Tumbled leather tongue. Tumbled leather. Jumpman in silver. Or gray. Whatever. I don't even know. What kind of material is that? What is that? What's that? What is that? Space hippie material? I don't even know. It feels weird. Smell wise, this one got the stronger glue smell, so you get some points for that. I'll give you that. But I don't know. There's probably like glue just smeared all up in here because they missed a bunch of spots because they didn't put much time into making this shoe. No disrespect though. It's nice looking for that part. So yeah, let's go back. Tumbled leather up here. Tumbled leather around the accents on the upper. And this beautiful, beautiful, like patent leather piece. It's actually not patent. It's like a synthetic plastic or something like that. I don't know. But on the lace loops here, it's got it. And where it says Jumpman. So it kind of blings out. Same on the medial side. And then the soles. Icy, similar ice, But with the white, same herringbone traction, a little more herringbone traction on this one, which I dig. Can't really see anything else there, but the carbon fiber, I believe that's the carbon fiber under there. Keeps it, and this one has the same thing. So similar looking design as far as that goes. But see that on the toe? Jumpman on the toe comes right up to that. But this is something I'm gonna. I didn't notice this when I reviewed it the first time, but the Jumpman comes out to a point. Why? What's the point? That's just weird. All right, you lose a point for that. This one's got a cleaner toe, teeter toe. Toe boxes though, I'm gonna give the toe box game to the Legend Blue just because of this thing looking all funky. Man, it's hard judging shoes for what they are, man. Now look, I still prefer this shoe overall just because it just blings more to me. It's cleaner, right? Heel tab has a black. This one has it around the inner part. Easter themed insole. It's not gonna pull it out because it takes time to put these on. Whenever I pull out an insole, it just takes forever to put it back. But this bad boy's got nice curves all the way around. Aesthetically, just looks better to me. The multi-textured materials here. So you have like the pebbly, like, you know, almost like a snake skin type of vibe going here, and then it goes all the way up to, so it's very rigid, and then it gets smoother and then smooth all the way up, multi-textured. You know, I like that. So a lot of people don't like the curves of this shoe, but it's a white shoe at the end of the day. So what are you gonna do? I think it looks about all the same. Then you got this bad boy here, just white. Like, really? Look at that, people. Really? This looks like a dead turtle, bro. It's like a dead turtle. It looks crazy. I don't know. I guess on feet it might look bad, but this is like, I don't know, man. Like this little threads coming out like right here and stuff. It's not even that clean. But what are you gonna do? I don't know. Again, personal preferences. I do like not much about it. The sole's cool, all that, but definitely, again, I'm going with the 12 Easters overall, from packaging to this. But I don't know. Hype got people loving this shoe a lot more for some reason, which is fine. Do you? But I don't feed into hype. I just go by what I kind of like. And neither of these shoes will probably be blessing my feet anytime soon, so it doesn't matter. I got 2 pairs of these. We're probably going to give one away. So look out for that on the podcast. We'll talk about it and drop a clip online. Please like and subscribe and check out the podcast. I would really want to get that going. We're up into 5 episodes now, so check all that out. I'll leave a clip at the end of this. I've been leaving clips of the podcast at the end of every video just so people can check them out. So if you do happen to see the clip, like and subscribe. We're on all podcast formats. Just look for the 12 Hub podcast and you'll see it there. But yeah, the winner today is the Jordan 12 Low Easter, and that's just because I like it more. If you got a problem with that, tell me below. But that's all we got for today. Talk to y'all soon. Peace.
So, what did you wear on your vacation?
So on vacation, I had 4 pair of shoes. I started out, me and my girl had we both wore our Jubilee 11s. So we rocked those to the airport.
Then, you matched. That's cute.
Yeah, we did. I tend to buy her, like, especially like the really hype ones. There'll be certain ones that she likes. So I'll have mine and she'll have hers, and we'll kind of rock them together for the first time. And then after that,
that's cute.
We just rock them wherever. That's my baby.
That's cute. That's cute. Yeah, that's cute.
So no, we rocked those Jubilee 11s. And then I took. I had some pink and green bows, the Bo Jackson joints.
Air trainer with the air trainer.
Yeah, the cross trainers. Yep. I had a pair of pink and green versions of those. Not a lot of people got those. I had those.
I seen those. Nice.
Yeah. Then I had I actually rock some mids. I do rock mids, so I'm not like one of those like crazy bougie folks that can't wear mids. I had on the Incredible Hulk joints. I don't know if you're familiar with those, the purple and green joints. I rocked those. Let me see, what else did I have? I had Incredible Hulk, I had my bows. Oh, and then I had my teal green Air Max 90s. And those, I just keep those around.
Which
I got
one,
a
teal
bunch
green?
of different colors. Yeah, they're like a teal green.
Oh, okay, I know what you're
I posted a picture of them before, but it wasn't.
I think I might have seen those.
Yeah, it was on my page. I had on like the teal green sweats.
What was the shoe that I was like, yo, you finally wearing some fire? Oh, you wore some Air Force Ones. This is like a random picture. You wore some Air Force Ones.
Yeah, that was Air Force Ones. That was my custom Air Force Ones.
Oh, okay.
That was before I went on vacation, though.
Yeah. I saw that and I was like, oh, it was a fire. Finally.
I had man, please. Man, my on feet be heat, man. You just
No, I mean, we different when it comes to that stuff.
Yeah, you like them exotic shoes.
Them exotic shoes. Moon boots. Well, speaking of moon boots, so yeah, I mean that's dope. I like how you kept it. You did that's a diver. I just wrote it all down, like the incredible. So the Zen Green Jordan. I might now that you just inspired me. I am finally gonna unds a pair of Jordans, and it's gonna be the Zen Greens. And I mentioned this in my Zen Green video when I did it months ago that I might wear this as my first Jordan, and I think I might do it. I'm gonna bring them with me, and I'm gonna lace them up when we go to Arizona.
And you're gonna lace them up. That's a big deal, because you even said you weren't even lacing up anyone.
I'm too lazy, man. Why don't they come laced? If they're not gonna come laced,
that's the OG form. The OG form is unlaced Jordan 1s.
Okay, so Jordan mids cost $120 or $115, whatever.
Yep.
And they come laced.
Yep.
Which is convenient. But you have to lace your own Jordan. That doesn't make sense.
This is where the difference between that non-sneakerhead is starting to show in you, like that.
I'm thinking evolve, brother.
No, that's the OG in it. That's the.
They made an auto lacing 11. Auto lacing 11. And you're gonna talk about Jordan 1s. If they start coming laced, I bet you more people would buy them.
I bet you they still wouldn't be able to get them. You would just piss off the community. Like, nobody we want to lace our own ones. Like,
community got a lot of time on their hands if they have all the time to lace up shoes.
It doesn't take that long. It's not like you wearing them like every day.
Yeah, I don't change the laces out. Like, I can't, like, any shoe I got, even if it has like dope laces that come with it, I don't feel like changing them out.
The only laces I've done a lace swap on was the Biohacks that I just rocked. And I originally put the black laces in.
And those are fire, by the way.
Yeah, when I put them pink laces in, I was like, I gotta leave the pink laces in. Like that's the first shoe I think I've done like a real defined lace swap where I was like, that was necessary. It should have came with those laces to begin with. But yeah, other than that, like, I usually just take the extra laces and just kind of throw them to the side.
Okay. Yeah. I don't know. So, okay. So definitely Zen Green. That's probably going to come with me on this trip. Second, I'm looking at my list, my Air Max 90 USA denims, which I have to shoot a video on tonight.
In there,
I love my Air Max 90s, and those denim ones are freaking ridiculous. Jesus. I am really, really. Oh, you're not gonna think this is funny. The LeBron Palmer 18, LeBron 18 lows, bro.
Gushing over them shoes since you got them.
I did the video the other day.
It's like a whole love affair in the video.
When I filmed that video, I was just like, I opened the box and I was like, yo, because I love the 9s. And I told the story how I came across the 9s. I was just looking on StockX at shoes. I didn't even know, what is this? It doesn't exist. It never existed. And they did another one. I think they did a LeBron 12 low with the LeBron Palmer thing. So it's dope. Like just the aesthetics of it, man. That yellow. I like it more than the reverse one. I mean, like, I looked online, a lot of people like the reverse one. There's a version that has a glow in the dark soul, and LeBron got all of them, and PJ Tucker, which makes no sense. But yeah, these but I couldn't find a picture of LeBron actually wearing it in a game.
I don't even think he played in those, to be honest with you. So I might have misspoke. Yeah, it's just one of those shoes that he had made, and it's only because
they have so many different colorways. Like they're not gonna. I'm sure they're not gonna like rock a new colorway every time they play.
Yeah, yeah. And my last, I might bring a Yeezy. I'm either gonna bring my the Inflames if they really look as fire as I assume they are in my own head, or one of mine that I have out and about here, like my 700 V3s, Kyanites. I like those. It's like a white shoe. And then
unds a new shoe every day.
No, I don't. So the Kyanites are unds already. I wore those outside. I unds another. I might bring my New Balance 327 Casablancas, or no, I might actually wear the other ones. The 237s. The one that looks like a Cortez that they made, the Casablanca. I like that. Looks more basic. That like I could wear that as a, because I'm not gonna bring like a dressy shoe or anything or any. I'm not gonna wear like, you know. So if we go to a nice restaurant, and
you can take your Easter 12s.
Those might, to be real with you, none of those shoes will ever be worn. I really just like the way it looks, and I know if I can antagonize my co-host, I'll do it at any cost. You know, like just I'll throw that shoe on. I'll have it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start lining up shoes that you hate behind me, so you can look at them in the podcast or have it on the TV screen, just like
oh man, just, you need to find something else to do.
Just to sass you every episode.